Welcome to this how-to video from POR Products, where we will show the proper application of POR15 Concrete Floor Coatings, the strongest armor for concrete floors. For this application, the installer elected to use our primer sealer first to act as a foundation for the POR15 floor armor. This is a crucial step in the process, as in priming any surface before painting to ensure proper adhesion. POR15 Concrete Clear Coat is also applied for added wear protection. The products work best on untreated concrete surfaces that are clean and structurally sound. The surface must be roughed up and porous for proper adhesion, so this installer chose to use an industrial floor burnisher and metal plate. After removing all loose material, make sure to thoroughly sweep, then vacuum the floor. Pressure washing is also recommended. POR15 Concrete Primer Sealer is a two-component system. Pour the entire container of Part B into the container of Part A. Mix slowly for 2 minutes. Use a brush to apply the product to all edges, and then use a wool roller or squeegee to evenly apply to the entire area. Work in 10-foot square areas at a time, and make sure to overlap areas for good coverage. You could recoat in 3 to 5 hours, sooner depending on temperature and humidity. POR15 Concrete Floor Armor is a gloss, two-component aliphatic urethane color coat. Thoroughly combine the mixture with power agitation for 5 minutes. Use a brush to apply the product to all edges, and then use a wool roller or squeegee to evenly apply to the entire area. Again, work in 10-foot square areas at a time, and make sure to overlap areas for good coverage. We always recommend applying our non-slip aggregate to the first coat to ensure good grip on surfaces that may get wet or have high traffic. Apply while the first coat is still wet. We recommend wearing painter's spikes while you cast aggregate, as not to leave tracks. Apply second coat of floor armor after 6 hours. The second coat will give excellent coverage and protection and seal in the non-slip aggregate. If you would like a heavy amount of aggregate, you can add to the second coat of floor armor as well. POR15 Clear Coat provides excellent gloss and color retention, including UV protection. The cross-linked formula provides superior abrasion, chemical, and solvent resistance for those high-use interior surfaces. Initially, the clear coat will appear milky as you apply, but will become transparent as it cures. After 6 hours, the floor can be walked on, but we suggest letting the coating cure for 3 to 5 days before heavy traffic. When the application is complete, you will have a clean, tough, non-slip surface ready for heavy traffic that will last for years. Impress your customers and protect your investments with POR15 Concrete Floor Coatings, the strongest armor for concrete floors. Look to POR Products for this advanced technology in concrete floor coatings.